Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to switch from Chatgpt to Gemini. Right, and let's get your migration started. So if you want to export your data, you need to go to your Chatgpt settings and select export data. So just open up Chatgpt. Let me open it up for you guys. Okay, open it up, and now guys, you need to open up your settings. So click on your pretty much profile photo, then you go to settings. Right, and after this, you need to go to data controls. And now as you can see, you have the export data button. So in order to transfer all of your history, it's actually pretty simple. So firstly, of course, you need to export all of the data from Chatgpt, and then pretty much whatever and whichever email you have this account connected to that email, you will receive a letter with all of your export data. It's going to be in an archive that you can then download and easily swap your Chatgpt to Gemini. Also keep in mind that this will take a bit of time. It might take up to a few days, so be patient. And then guys, it's actually pretty simple. You just type in the new Gemini window, I want to export my data from Chatgpt, and it will give you which exact files you need to copy and insert into here, upload in here, in order to easily pretty much transfer all of it. You don't necessarily have to upload the entire archive, even though you can, but this is the pretty much the easiest way and method to do it. Also, if you want to activate the extensions, you can go to Gemini settings and then extensions, and then just toggle on the, as you can see, this Google Workspace button. This is the simple conversations and integrations, something that Chatgpt still struggles to do natively. So the switch will now be complete. If this guide helps you upgrade your AI game today, smash like and subscribe.